If you want a garden that actually looks alive this summer, May is your moment. But don't just plant anything. These are 5 easy plants you can start now for fast, beginner-friendly results. Tiny Garden Queen's warning. If your area still has frost at night, wait. Warm season plants like tomatoes, basil, beans, and zucchini should go outside after your last frost date.
Cold weather? Absolutely not. Your plants will be offended.
First, tomatoes. If you want that "I actually grew food" feeling, tomatoes are the main character. In May, don't start tomatoes from seed unless you have a long growing season. The easier move is to buy small tomato plants and transplant them outside after frost risk is gone. Put them somewhere sunny, give them support early, and don't let the soil fully dry out. Tomatoes love consistency.
Not drama, though. Even if tomatoes absolutely bring drama.
Especially in summer.
Tomatoes are basically the reality TV stars of the garden.
Next, basil. Basil is perfect because it grows fast, smells amazing, and instantly makes your garden feel expensive. Plant it in a sunny spot after cold nights are over. Basil hates cold weather. Pinch the tops once it starts growing so it gets bushier instead of tall and sad.
Tall and sad basil is not part of the Garden Queen's aesthetic.
Absolutely not.
Also, basil next to tomatoes? Iconic. Pasta garden energy.
Third, bush beans. These are one of the easiest vegetables to grow from seed. You don't need to start them indoors. Just plant the seeds directly outside once the soil warms up and frost season is over. They grow quickly, they're low maintenance, and bush beans stay more compact than pole beans.
Which is perfect because some of us do not have a giant cottagecore farm.
Most of us, actually.
Plant, water, wait, and suddenly you're harvesting vegetables like you know what you're doing.
Fourth, marigolds. If your garden needs instant color, plant marigolds. They're beginner-friendly, bright, low maintenance, and they make everything look more finished. You can plant them around vegetables, in containers, or along the edge of your garden beds.
Tiny flowers, huge personality.
Very Garden Queen's coded, honestly. And fifth, zucchini. Zucchini is perfect if you want big results fast. It grows quickly, the leaves get huge, and one healthy plant can produce a lot. Plant zucchini after frost in a sunny spot with enough room.
Because zucchini does not ask for space. Zucchini takes space.
Literally.
This plant has main character energy.
So if you're planting in May, start with tomatoes, basil, bush beans, marigolds, and zucchini. They're beginner-friendly, fast-growing, and perfect for starting your garden era. And remember to always check your local last frost date before planting warm season crops outside.
Save the plants. Save the drama.
Subscribe to Garden Queens for cozy gardening tips, plant chaos, and new videos every week.
Your Garden Queen era officially starts now.